Hey travelers! Recently, I volunteered to take a later flight for a flight credit and upgrade on my way home, and I ended up with a few hours at DTW airport, and I really needed a nap. So I looked into it and found out that they had a minute suites, and this is how it went. Check-in was really quick. Even though I was at the front desk, the lady suggested that I download the app. And in the app, you're able to, of course, look at your location, select your start and end times, and check the fee per hour. One thing I did like is that they actually count an hour as 75 minutes. I thought that was awesome. Now, I will say it's not cheap like I expected, but maybe capsules are more affordable. It was still great for a quick stay, but I would never be able to do an overnight. The one I was in was really quiet, even though it was really busy. They do have showers at this location too, but I didn't have to use them because I was only there for a few hours. So sadly, I don't have any video for you. So in the room, you have your daybed, an Apple TV, great Wi-Fi, and a workspace. It also had a mini bar, and the prices weren't so bad, especially if you consider you're still inside the airport. The daybed had a hidden section with blankets and pillows, and then the lower section pulled out to a second bed if you needed it to. Oh, I thought this was pretty cool. The room has a noise canceling system that really can come in handy if you're in a noisier environment. The only noise I could hear at this location was the people mover moving back and forth above us, but that really wouldn't have kept you from sleeping. Beyond that, you have plenty of lighting options so you can really set the tone for if you just want to work quietly, if you want to take a nap, if you want to watch TV. It was kind of perfect. And that's everything, so time for my nap.